Today we are going to be installing and testing out the X12B, which is a teleprompter that was made years ago, but today we're just going to upgrade my video setup. None of these tech reviews are sponsored. All I ask is to leave a thumbs up on this video. We're going to be unboxing this, installing it, and then talking about the limitations. You see here, just from the picture, that they use an iPad as the display for the teleprompter. I don't have an iPad. I don't own an iPad or any tablet. And so I'm gonna be trying to use my phone. We'll see if it works or not. So let's get into it. So taking that out of the box, we have this carrying case, black all the way around. And we have a Velcro handle as well as some zippers. You do need to undo the Velcro before even open this, or you can't open it. Undo the Velcro and then take it off. So this is the X12B. Let's actually just take the entire styrofoam out. So this is the teleprompter here. There's an instruction manual, a microfiber wiper, the actual teleprompter mount that you'll be mounting to your tripod through these rails. And then you'll have the styrofoam padding, which is used, you want to put it in the traveling bag, and you're going to be taking this outside of your normal filming area. So inside this, it looks like it's a remote control. Very interesting. I'm not actually sure what this controls, as there's no screen. This is linked with NEEWER's Teleprompter app. So how the teleprompter works is that you have a reading device at this front mount, and this acts as basically a mirror that allows you to read off the teleprompter. Your camera will go in the back here, and you have this kind of opening where you won't get any glare from the screen. And then you have a camera mount where you obviously mount your camera. Let's now get this installed on the tripod. So here is the tripod. It's actually newer as well. I'm not sure when I got this. It's probably a while back. It seems decently beefy, but I don't know if it's the most stable. But let's just set it up. So the bottom mount has a couple of mounting holes. I'm assuming I'm gonna be either using these smaller ones to mount to the tripod. I'm gonna mount it to this third one here, third one to the back. So I got that mounted securely, and now I need to, I guess, install the camera. So we have this right pin that allows us to quickly determine the position of the slide. So I'm gonna start recording just to see what it looks like. So if I just cover this, you can see absolutely nothing. I think that's because the mount is it's not high enough. So let me walk you through the different functions and controls there are. If you see, there's two screws here. That controls this, how much it moves in or out. And that's gonna be where you place your screen for the teleprompter you're gonna read off. Another important thing is this plastic screw here. This adjusts the height of the teleprompter. The problem for me though is actually that this is honestly too high at the lowest setting. So I need to figure out a way to put this higher. Essentially, so these two screws allow you to adjust the height of the camera. So if I were to take these screws off, so you can move the camera height higher than you want. So I'm gonna put this at max height to see how I can adjust the rest of this. Put this back on to make sure that I can actually see through it now. As you can see, it's pretty much unobstructed now. Now that we installed pretty much this back half of the teleprompter, let's see this in action by using my cell phone as the teleprompter. Now that I got the teleprompter app installed on my phone, let's go over the functionality of what this does. So essentially this is the Bluetooth control for this app. Here is the teleprompter. This is just a sample prompt. If I want to increase the size of the teleprompter text, I can press this button here, this plus font size. As you can see here, that expands the text. And then obviously if I want to make it smaller, I can do that as well. The play button in the middle will start playing the teleprompter. But so that plays the teleprompter. I can press it again to pause it. I just did so. And then if I wanted to go back up, I would have to go back up via the scroll button. If I play it and press the scroll button at the same time, that slows down the teleprompter scroll. If I increase it, it speeds up like so. And so you can adjust that while this teleprompter is playing. So that is what this controller does. One piece of warning when you do install this app, it did get only 3 stars when I did install it, so take that as a cautionary note. Overall, I think the NEEWER app is decent enough. If you want me to make another video going into detail why this app isn't great, again, I just haven't used it that much, let me know in the comments below and I definitely can do that for you. First thing you'll need to do is mirror the screen because obviously you're gonna be reading off a mirrored device. So let's adjust this mount, boom, and let's see how it looks. So as you can see here, this is where the camera lens is, and the screen is slightly below the center of the camera. I think honestly that'll be fine for this case, but let's try mounting it vertically instead. Yeah, when I did it vertically, what's crazy is that it looks like the center of the screen is in line with the center of the camera. If I were to play, yeah, that is right on point actually. Like the center of the camera is in line with the center of the cell phone. So this is what you'll be seeing from my perspective. Now let's look at what perspective the camera shows. I have the external monitor there that allows me to frame my shot, my cell phone here, and then obviously the remote control. Let's read this script and let's see how it looks in production. Natural look on camera. The NEEWER Teleprompter app is a professional auto cue application designed for teleprompter users and is widely popular among vloggers. So yeah, that was the NEEWER Teleprompter. I actually like it a lot. Even with a cell phone, I think it performs pretty well. I suggest you try both the vertical and horizontal modes to see which one works best for your camera. Let me know if you have any questions. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace.